welcome to this week's video. I am so excited to do this video. This one was kind of a spur of the moment video, but I thought it would be fun to do a little clean with me, but also redoing my room a little bit. I got some new bedding and I also redid my side table. I will do a before and after pic in this video so you could see once you see the new version of the side table. But I'm gonna go ahead and wipe things down, get my new bedding on, and I'm really excited. The bedding I got was from a company called Piglet in Bed. It is a European company. I got a duvet cover and I also got some pillowcases. So the first thing I am going to do is get all of this old bedding. I have a hole on the sheets. I got a whole bunch of new stuff, and get all of this off of the bed, and then I'm going to go get my new bedding and put that on. just got all of the bedding on. Look at how cute this is. I love the color. I'm a big fan of yellow. I thought the green would look really nice because I'm also going to have a green side table, which I'm going to do here soon. But I did get this yellow pillow, so it might be a lot of yellow, but I love this. It's a little sun. And I thought I've had this pillow right here, this one. I've had this one for a very long time. And then the white one I got from Target too. Got that from Target. The other one I'm not really sure. But this bedding is from Pig and Blanket, and then the sheets are from Target. My new side table. I'm going to show you a before picture here and what it looks like after I painted it and put new knobs. I love the knobs. Super cute. Hopefully that's focused, but it is a little sun. It's a golden sun. I got these from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and wipe down everything and put all the new stuff on here. That I got, like my new lamp, so I'm really excited about all of that. I am washing my gray blanket, which will go on here, but that is everything that I got. I love the side table and the blankets together. I think it just pulls it all together. I love the pillows. I love everything about it. So yeah, I love it all, and I'm just so excited about it.